Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need the SDK and Android Studio already installed. Once they are, open Android Studio and start a new Flutter project. Make sure Flutter Doctor shows no critical errors and that the Android SDK is configured. Add the Flutter and Dart plugins if missing, then set the path to the Flutter bin. When you create the project, pick an Android application template so you get the correct Gradle files and a runnable main. Dart to edit immediately. Once your project exists, connect a device or launch an emulator and confirm Flutter devices shows it. Open lib/main. Dart and replace the demo with a clear scaffold, add widgets, and manage state with stateful widget or a chosen state management approach. Make sure Android-specific settings in Android/app/build. Gradle match your target, min SDK version, target SDK version, and any native dependencies. If you use plugins, run Flutter pubget. Then rebuild to catch any compile time dependency issues early. You can now run the app directly with Flutter Run or the Run button in Android Studio. Monitor the console for runtime errors and hot reload with R. For a distributable build, execute Flutter Build App or Flutter Build App Bundle and sign the app as required. If something breaks, stop, then run Flutter Clean, Flutter pubget, and check the Gradle console and Flutter logs for stack traces. Often updating plugin versions or adjusting min SDK version resolves the most common build errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.